Hi there. Is this seat taken?
Oh, hello. No, please, have a seat.
Thank you. My name is Alex. What's your name?
I'm Sam. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Sam.
So, how are you today?
I'm doing well. Thanks. How about you?
I'm good, just enjoying my coffee.
Same here. I love a good cup of coffee. Where are you from, Sam?
I'm from Toronto, in Canada. How about you?
I'm from Sydney, Australia.
Wow, Australia. That's really far from here. Are you visiting or do you live here now?
I'm studying English here for a few months. It's a great place to learn.
That's awesome. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and playing guitar. Sometimes I go hiking. How about you?
I love to watch movies. I also like to cook. It's fun to try new recipes.
Oh, that's cool. What's your favorite thing to cook?
I make a really good pasta with tomato sauce. Maybe I can show you one day.
I'd love that. By the way, are you studying or working here?
I'm working at a local bookstore. It's part-time. And you said you're studying English, right?
Yes, I'm taking a language course at the school downtown. It's helping me a lot.
That's nice. Have you made many friends in class?
A few. Everyone is friendly, so I'm happy.
That's great to hear. Hey, maybe we can study or hang out sometime.
Yes, that would be great. Let's exchange phone numbers.
Sure. I'll text you later, and we can meet again soon.
Sounds good. Thanks for the chat, Sam.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too. See you soon.